Ooh. You said, baby, just be honest. I said, yeah, I would in time. But I keep swallowing these stories, they sit heavy in my mind. Late nights in your kitchen, you laugh, I fake a smile. These secrets gain weight in my chest, been hiding for a while. Yeah. I miss the boat every time I try to tell you. Tongue-tied, then I run. We talk like we might finally get together, then I'm back to square one. I follow advice from my friends, just let it out, but I choke when the truth comes. Yeah. These quiet confessions keep eating me till I'm back to square one. You trace circles on my shoulders, say what you thinking of. I change the subject to the weather instead of broken trust. All these half-finished conversations stacking up like unpaid fines. The more I hide, the more I'm haunted by what I leave behind. I miss the boat every time I try to tell you. Then I run. We talk like we might finally get together, then I'm back to square one. I follow advice from my friends, just let it out, but I choke when the truth comes. Yeah. These quiet confessions keep eating me till I'm back to square one. If I open up, will you turn away or stay right here? If I lay it bare, could we lose it all or get it clear? Cause I can't keep letting these secrets gain weight on a love that should feel right. I gotta stop missing that boat to your heart and tell you tonight. I miss the boat every time I try to tell you. Tongue-tied, then I run. We talk like we might finally get together, then I